Now everything is fine now, guys. Come on. Everything is fine now. Okay. So fine. Okay. After, so think about that. After what? After creating the project, you are forgetting what? You are forgetting to add the any. What is that? Starter dependencies, right? So how you will add it now? How you will add it now? Right click on the project. Right click on the project. Go in Spring is there, right? Spring. What is that? Edit starter. Click on that and just wait, right? Now here, see the Lombok is there, right? Just okay. It will add in your what in your what form.xml. I will show it. I will show this. It's downloading now. Yes. Yeah. See this Lombok API is added now. Okay. Lombok API is added in what? In our what? Spring. What is that? Spring. Sorry, pom.xml. Now fine guys. So next what we will do now, just go inside the package, right? Package statement. Okay. Inside that already by default, what is that? Runner class is, what is that? Runner class is created. So what we will do now, come to our what? Diagram, right? Come to our what? Diagram, UML diagram, right? So what is the UML diagram? So I said that in the development, right? In the development time, always development will start from what? Development will start from what? Address class, right? Address class means, because address class is what? Child class, and employee and address class is there between. What is that? What is this? Is a relation, has a relation, right? Has a relation. So now fine guys. So what we will do now? Right click, new. We take the class. Take the class. So what we decided at the time of creating the, what is that, UML diagram, com.archi.address, right? ADDR. So what we will do now? ADDR, right? ADDR, and class name we will take public application. Oh, sorry, address, right? So now finish it. Okay, fine now, guys. So come here. What is that? Pin and location is there, and both are the what? Private type, right? So come here. Inside that, what we will do now? What we will do now? Private what? Private what? Integer. Private what? Integer, right? Integer. Now, yeah, integer. What is that? ADDR. No, what is the pin, right? Pin. Another one is what? Private. What? Private what? String what? Private string, what is that? LOC, location, right? So now to represent, what is that? Setter and getter method, what is that? At the rate data I'm taking, right? Lombok API, I'm adding what? Lombok API, right? So now our address class is completed based on that, this UML diagram. So now again another one is what, guys? Another one is what we have need to develop. What is that? We have need to develop what? Employee class. So now come again, what is that? Right click, new, take the class. Inside that, what is that? Com dot what? Rk dot, what is that? Emp, right? Emp, we decided to package name emp. Now class name is employee, right? Employee. Now finish it. Okay, so fine now, guys. Another one is what? How many attributes? Three attributes are there, right? EMP ID, EMP name, and address, right? So now write it private. Private what? Private what? Private EMP, EMP ID, EMP ID. Another one is what? This is the integer type. This is what? Integer type, right? This is what? Integer type. Now find private. Private what? Private. What is that? Private string. String what? Private string. What is that? EMP name. I'm taking what? EMP name. Now another one is what? Private. I'm taking what is that? Address. Has a relation. Address ADDR, right? ADDR. Now fine, guys. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply on the top of this class what? I'm going to apply on the top of this one Lombok API at the rate data, right? At the rate data. Fine. So now find these two classes is created now, guys. Okay, these two classes is created now. Fine now. So next, what we will do now? What we will do now? Now I'm going to create one runner class, guys. Okay, runner class. So now find new. What is that? Take my data, right? My data. Just I'm taking my data. Okay. So fine. Finish it. Okay. So here what I'm going to do now, just I'm adding what is that at the rate component, at the rate component, right? At the rate component. Okay. So after then what we will do now, after then what we will do now, at the rate inside that here what I'm going to take private employee, right? I'm taking what employee EMP, right? EMP. Okay, fine. After then here I'm taking what is that employee implement, right? I'm implementing what runner class. Implement what is that command line runner, right? Command line runner. Okay, we know that inside this command line runner, what is that one abstract method is there, we have need to override. Okay, now I overridden that method. Now fine, guys. So here what I'm going to do now, here what I'm going to do now, so here come here, right? So we know that at the rate configuration property, just I'm what is specifying this one as prefix here. Okay, so what is that at the rate configuration property, I'm taking what at the rate configuration property. Inside that what I'm going to do now, my dot app, right? My dot app. Okay, so fine now, guys. Fine. So here just to inject what is that setter getter, we will take here also at the rate what is that data, at the rate data Lombok API, right? I applied these three annotations. Now just I'm going to do what, just sys out, right? Sys out. What I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now, 1 minute. EMP, right? This EMP, just what I'm doing now, just I'm printing now. Okay, I'm printing now, guys. We will see that. Okay, we will see that what is that default value, right? We will see the default value. Okay, yes, we fix it here, right? Yeah, fine. Yes. So now let's run the application. Let's run the application, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, 1 minute here, my application is here, right? Package, just I'm taking what is that, run runner, right? Now click package statement, just I'm okay, move on this package. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'm starter class. I'm going to what is that activate now. Just run this starter class now, guys. Run the Spring Boot application. See this null. We are getting what, null, right here, null.
YAML file, Ravi.
Employee class is there, right? Okay.
Property file, sir.
Property file, no, just what I want to show to you people, that one also only. The property file I know that, okay. Property file I know that, Amrani, just I want to show one things, because of that what I'm doing now, okay. Auto wire no need, okay. Whenever we will perform this one, okay, auto wire no need, okay. Because of that, those things I want to show you, okay. Null, showing that employee class is there, right? Employee class, I applied the data here. Okay, let's see that. At the rate, what component? Now right click, run Spring Boot application. No, null we are getting, right? Employee data, right? Here what I'm taking, component configuration property also I taken. It's taking updates and right updates. Now fine. By default value should be come, right? By default value should come, but it's not coming. Okay, let's make at the rate. It's asking, okay. I think newer version. We are using, what is that? Version 2.4.5, right? Okay. So because of that, in the this one newer, this is the latest version, right, guys? I think some bug is there. No problem. Okay. I use that. Okay, in that in that there is no need to write component also. Here component also. Okay. 1 minute I will comment it. Okay. We will check it. Okay. We will check it, guys. Okay, because I work on this like this only. Okay, it's asking everywhere component, because whenever we will apply on the top of, right, on the top of runner class this annotation, right, it will take care, no need to configure, what is that, take the auto wiring also no need. Because of that I was I am explaining, but no problem, no problem, this one also good only. Okay. Yes, yes. This version is not taking version problem. Yeah. Okay. I work on different version. Okay. Different version here everywhere. This annotation to create the object mandatory. I thought that, right. No need, no need. But it's asking, guys. Okay. It's asking. No problem. No problem. Okay. So create the, how we can create the object of this class, like to apply on the top of what, at the rate component, right? And the same like, what is that, address class also, right? So now fine, guys. So same things, okay, same things here. We applied, right, my dot prefix, but what is that? Just I'm running that. We are not giving any input, right? So just run the application. So we are getting by default value, right? By default value. See that? See this here on the console. By default, emp id null, emp name null, address null, right? Address also null. Okay, address is a null only, right? So fine. So what we are going to do now, guys? We will give the what we will give, but here emp address equal to null. Why? We are getting. Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. So no, we want to give the data, right? So what we will do now, come inside that what application dot property, right? Inside that what we will do now, what is the prefix now, guys? What is the my dot app, right? My dot what app. So what we will do now, my dot app, right? I'm writing what my dot app. So fine now, guys. Dot what is this? What is the inside the employee class, come inside the what is the emp id is there, right? Copy this one, and what we will do now, paste it. Okay, paste it equal to just I'm giving what 101 10 only, 10 only, right? Based on that what our explanation, what is that my dot app dot emp id. Fine. Same another one is what, guys? Now paste it, right? Paste it. What is the another one is there? What is the another what E emp name is there, right? Emp name. Okay, so fine. Copy this one, and come here. Okay, copy this one and paste inside that property here. Okay, so just take the name Ravi. Ravi. Fine. Another one is what? Another one is what, guys? Property, right? Address is there, right? Address is there. Okay. So what we will do now? Come inside that what? My dot. What is that? App dot what? My dot app dot what? Address, right? Address dot what? Location, right? Inside that what? Employee class, come inside that address. Pin is there. Copy this one and come inside that properties, right? Property. Now paste it here. Just give what? Pin something and anything, right? Anything is the pin. Okay, now okay, so another one is what? My dot what? App dot what? Addr, right? Addr dot what? In the address class what? Location is there, right? Copy this one and come inside that property, right? Come inside that property, and what is that match? Now run the application. Still we are getting null. Why? Not able to read it. Problem section also there is no problem. 1 minute, guys. Why it's going beyond to our expectation today? Null. Okay, fine. Now right click Maven, update the project. We are using advantage, no need to data. Why null we are getting? Employee class is there, right? Employee class is there and address class is there. Both classes is there. Between the easy relation. Fine. Property file. Why the property file not able to read it? my.app.empid. Fine. My.app.prefix is what? But we are taking the prefix. Configuration properties. This is also fine. 1 minute, guys. It's my null we are getting can be read. Okay. At the rate data from anyone having little bit idea can suggest anybody why we are getting like this. Class path. Where class path, Padma? No, no, no. In the configuration property class path, no need. In the configuration property, yes.
Yeah, no need to mention any properties file here. Right?
We will clean the project, right?
Sir, configuration property write in employee class, sir. Syntax.
No, this is also correct only. Actually, in the latest version, this is also correct. I work on that. Like,
Yesterday application wrote in employee class, sir. That's why.
sorry.
Yesterday class you wrote a configuration property prefix my data app in written in employee class. So.
Yes, yes, correct only. Actually, we can write like that also, but here in the runner class, so whenever we will use in the runner class, right? Whenever we will use in the runner class, then you know what will happen now. Then no need, right? No need to even use what is that at the rate component also. I seen that. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Now new Spring Starter project. Just 1 minute. Be patient. Okay.
Ravi, please once more clean project.
Yeah, I'll clean it. Okay, 1 minute. Now next here, what is that? I'm taking this one, right? Oh. Okay, guys. So I'm taking what this 2.4.5 is their latest version, right? And what is the 2.3.10? But here only I worked yesterday. Only I did practical one. Snapshot 2 into 4.5. This is the latest version, right? This is the latest version. Why it's not working? Should work. It should work. 1 minute. Here auto wire also no need. Okay, I seen that because of that. Based on that explanation I'm giving right now, if we apply on the top of right this annotation, 7 is 0 param equals to string is there or not? Yes, to string also there. Everything is there in the class. Address class means @lambok is working properly. Here also it's working now. In the my data, right? Emp address equals get set also there, to string also there. Everything is there. The power of this auto configuration annotation. 1 minute, I will show it. If we use this one, right, this annotation, right, retention policy, document retention policy target. Okay. It's not reading the property. Saying that not object is created, right? Okay, do one thing. Okay, do one thing. Let's take this one. Okay, but if we take this one, copy, and employee class is there now, based on the top of this one. Okay, based on the top of this class. Now in the runner, no need. Okay, in the runner, no need. Okay, fine. Here, what we will do now? @auto something goes wrong, friend. Okay, something goes wrong. @data. Okay, so if we are not, then data also no need. @component. Fine. Prefix. We are taking these things on the top of what? Employee class. Fine.
And at the rate of component,
Yes, Ravi, please add that component mention
in the
on.
employee class.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's came now. It's came now, guys. But 1 minute, friend. It's coming, right? It's coming. Okay. But the problem is, okay. So I don't want to like this. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. So whenever we are applying in the top of what? 1 minute. Address class is there, right? I'm removing component. I'm removing @component. Okay. Just one more time. I'm running this one and just for experiment purpose, guys. Okay. We will get one experience here, right?
Okay, no issue. Do that.
See this here. What is that? @component I removed in the address class, guys. I experimented like this only, right? See this, no need. Actually, whenever we are using what, this annotation, right? @configuration annotation, we don't have need to put what? Dependent class. What in the dependent class? What component? Let's remove here also. I'm removing here also. Now again run the class. Now, okay. So here it's a need, right? here it's need. Okay, so where we will use in that class only, right? So same things what I'm doing now, same things here only. Now cut it at the rate here no need to put what is that, because this class, this is the dependent class and this is the dependency, right? This is the dependency. So if the things is apply on the this class, and whenever we are applying in the what is that at the rate component, same things what I'm doing now here, guys, same things only here I'm pasting this one. Okay, after then what a component we applied, and setter getter method mandatory whenever we are taking, right? So what at the rate data I'm taking, right? At the rate data only I'm taking here. So same things, right? Here no need to apply auto wire also here. I did in the project also, right? In the company project also I implemented, but I don't know why not working here now today. Here null is coming. Here null is coming now. Okay, so no problem. Okay, so okay, what we will do now, here we will take the at the rate auto wire only, right? Auto wire. Auto wire we are taking here auto wire. Okay, we will apply on the source only this annotation where we will apply on the dependency class, right? Dependent class. Now paste it here. Okay, after pasting that, in to create this class object component, right? We are applying on the top of what component. Okay, fine. I think the latest version, we are using totally latest version, right? Spring Boot latest version. Because of that, in I think in the latest version, these things is not there. Okay, fine now, guys, no problem. Okay, so here what is that? Here see that at the rate component I'm not applying, right? But here what is that? I'm applying the at the rate component, right? So same things here what, and if we are taking auto wire, then no need to put what setter and getter, means Lombok API. Okay, now run the application and we can able to inject, right? We can able to inject data in between what is that is a relation, right? Has a relation between what has a relation. See that 10 Ravi address is what pin 12 and Mysore, right? Based on that property, right? Our main target is what, how we can read the property file if the classes is there in the relation between what association, guys. Okay, association. Now clear, guys. Don't worry, we will see that. Okay, we will see that next we will see that why we are getting like this problem. Okay,
Yeah, it's clear.
clear na? Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
so
Okay, clear.
but here see that here employee is there, right? Employee class is there. Employee class we are using this what is that association in the employee class, right? Address class is there. See here just I'm taking what setter getter method, but I'm not applying on the top of what at the rate component, because whenever we will apply in the class, right, then dependency class object also will create based on this what, based on this one what, based on this what, this annotation, configuration annotation. Okay, we don't have need to what apply on the top of what, it's a dependency class. This dependent class dependency classes is there, right? On that those dependency classes we don't have need to apply what at the rate component class, guys. Okay, at the rate component class we don't have need to apply it. Okay, so fine now. So let's move on and let's see the next level discussion. Okay, so let's what we will do now, let's create one big project, complex project. In that project, what is that we will use, what is that all attribute, like our association means has a relation also we will use, map collection also we will use, set also we will use, and what is that normal data also we will use. Okay, we will design, let's design one project application, and inside that all dependencies we will use it, right? All dependency we will use. After then we will move on what, inside that what, profiler, right? Profiler, how profiler will work in the real time, right? If like QA is there, development environment is there, and UAT means user acceptance testing environment is there. If the project will deploy different server, how it will work, how it will behave, all those things we will see, right? We will see that But before moving on that, let's work on the complex project, right? Complex type dependencies. Okay, complex type dependency. Okay, so now fine guys, so let's design it. Okay, let's design it. Okay, so for that, what is that? Just what in the same application only, right? Employee class is there, employee class is there, what, and address class is there only, right? Employee class is there and what, address class is there. Now in this one what we will do now, just yeah, some attributes we will increase it guys. Okay, some attributes, so just think about that. Emp id is there, right? Emp id, name, and what is that, emp style, emp name. These things, these attributes are also there. After then what we will do now, yesterday we seen all those things. Okay, yesterday we seen that in employee class what we will do now. In employee class, what is that, we have what is that, integer, private private integer, private integer, what is that, eid, right? Emp, eid only, eid. Another one is what, another one is what, private what is that, string what, ename, right? Ename is there. Another one is what, private what, private double esal. Just I'm taking what, esal, emp salary, right? Another one is what, I'm taking private what, private set collection I'm taking, right? Set collection I'm taking. Inside this set collection, what is this? Inside this set collection, just I'm taking what, string. In string, what is that, projects, projects, right? Projects. Another one is what, another one, private what, map collection I'm taking, what, map collection I'm taking, right? Inside that string colon what, string colon what, string colon what, double I'm taking, right? String colon what, double double. Another one is just module, how many module you work. Okay, after then what is that, private what, private address. Our this address class is there, right? Address class. Now addr. In this application, see that normal attribute also there guys. Okay, collection means list. You can take set, means what is that, if we work on what, list, set, and what, array. If every syntax is same only, right? Yesterday we seen that. Oh, after then what, map is there, right? Map is there, and address, this is the association mapping, right? This is what, association mapping is there. So if like these attributes are there, so what is the property file guys, and what is the ml file? Okay, let's write that ml file and a property file. Okay, so then we will move on what, profiler, right? Then we will move on what, profiler. Then yesterday concept also again will clear here only, right? Yesterday concept also will clear, because of that, based on this one only guys. Okay, our next discussion is there, because of that I'm explaining this one much. This one, if I'm explaining, means something is there in the future, right? So now fine guys, so let's what is that, so here what is that, our what is that, configuration, right? At the rate configuration